Hello, welcome back to AG Engineering. I've got a project here again for the mate of mine with the wood shop. This is a part of a Wadkin, I believe it's a Wadkin chain morticer. It's part of the guard. There's another cover that goes over this and stops you getting your hands in the chain, but it also acts as a guide for the chain. And the problem he's got is there's a couple of brass bushes in this, and it's rocking about quite a lot and pushing the chain offline and spelching the wood out apparently. I've already had a little look at it the other day, so I can get some parts on the way. The bushes arrived in the post this morning. Quite simply measuring the bush diameter with the normal T-type gauges and the bore and the outside diameter there. It's essentially it's a 5/8 bore and a 7/8 OD. So I've got some standard bushes here, and we'll pop them in and see what the fit's like, or whether I've got to rebore the hole after they've been fitted. I've got a slightly longer bush. They're originally sort of 3/4. I've gone to the full length of the casting there to give it a little bit more support for the few pence extra that it is for the longer bushes. Measuring that shaft that this whole thing slides up and down on, that's a little bit under, what did I get it to, 622,000, so it's a little bit under 5/8. It should give enough running clearance. Yeah, there's a little tiny bit of clearance in there, probably enough. Whether or not these will close down when they're pressed into there, we'll have to see. Removing them was fairly straightforward. I've got a bush driver set here, and we'll just find an appropriate bush size that'll fit through there without getting too complicated. Take the bottom out. That's it, the same method as I used to remove the top one. So they're out. I'll go and sort out a couple of bolts and washers to draw these into the casting there, and we're back in a moment. Right, using the milling clamp set I got the other week. I just put a stud through there. You can see that. I'm just pulling the bush in with the two nuts on the stud. And just continue in that way until we're fully home. The same with the other one. I have put a slight chamfer on the edge of the bush earlier on, and I'm just cleaning up a little bit inside the bore of the casting to put these in. So I'll come back to you when these are in. Just going to pull that through a little tiny bit more. Well, that's one done now. It's the same on this second one, but one thing you do have to watch, there, whether you can see that in the on the camera there. There's a bit of a taper on the casting, particularly on this side. So if you're trying to sit the bush into there, it'll be trying to tilt. So pick the squarish surface to the bore, which is going to be from the bottom there, and push it in from that side. Get started on that. So you can see what's going on. That's pulling it in quite nicely. If I had a device in this workshop, I'd have done the casting and the device would have made it a little bit easier. I'm getting there. That's them pressed in. I've just lightly deburred the edge with a deburring tool, and I've got to clean this the shaft up. It's quite there's quite a few little dinks and things on it from over the years, but just make sure none of them are too high. So a little bit there, just clean that up. Just a little bit of emery just to take any marks out of it. For the type of use it is, that'll be fine. So a little bit of oil. See what we've got. Yep, it's a nice fit in there. And the question is it in line? Ooh. Yes. Okay. We'll go up and down on its shaft there quite nicely. So that's that little one done. I'll pop round to my mates. He's making me another set of these shelves. A little bit of an exchange job, I think, this one. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I hope the sound's better on this one. I've got an external microphone connected to the camera at the moment, so and stereo as well, so we'll see how this turns out. So see you next time. Bye for now.